Good morning, dear children. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss exercises of Chapter 8 Having Verbs. So, before doing the exercises, let's recall what you have learned in the last class. We learned the use of has, have, and had in the sentences. We use has with singular nouns and pronouns, and have with plural nouns and pronouns in the present tense. So let's see the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with has or have. First one, Betty dash a pet turtle. Betty has because Betty is a singular noun. Second one, we dash a beach house. So we means more than one person. So here we use have. Third one, they dash a box of matches. So they means more than one person. It's a plural noun. So we use have. Fourth one, they dash a new cricket kit. They means plural pronoun. So have is used with they. Fifth one, Bharat dash a lot of homework to do. Here the subject is singular. So the answer is has. Sixth one, I dash two toffees in my pocket. So what do you use with I? We use have with I. Here the subject is plural. Seventh one, my mother dash a red dress. Here the subject is singular noun and the answer is has. Eighth one, I dash a pet rabbit. Here the pronoun I is plural and the answer is have. Ninth one, I dash lots of storybooks. Here also the noun is plural and the answer is have. Tenth one, we dash a small garden. We means more than one person and the answer is have. 11th one, Ria dash a blue cycle. Ria is a singular noun and has is used with singular nouns. 12th one, I dash a lot of friends. And the answer is I have a lot of friends. And go to next page number 43, exercise B. Do it as a homework. Look at the pictures. These children have pets. With the help of the line clues, write sentences using has or have. So one sentence is already given. Look at that. Vivek and Vinitha have a squirrel because Vivek and Vinitha means say plural. Two persons are there. So same way, do the next sentences by using has or have. Remember, we use has with singular nouns and pronouns, have with plural nouns and pronouns. Next, we move to page number 45. Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with has or had. So where do we use had? Had is used in the past tense with singular and plural nouns. Look at the first sentence. I dash a chick. It has now grown into a hen. So first sentence shows it's a past tense. So here we use had. Second one, I dash an ice cream yesterday. The word yesterday shows it's a past tense. And the answer is I had an ice cream yesterday. The third one, Midhun dash a blue bag. He takes it to school every day. So this sentence talks about the action in the present tense. Here we use has. And fourth one, a spider dash 8 legs. The sentence is in present tense. So here we use has. Fifth one, Meera dash blue eyes. This sentence also in present tense. So we use has. Sixth one, when I was 2 years old, I dash a red ball. Here the sentence in past tense and the answer is when I was 2 years old, I had a red ball. Seventh one, we dashed dinner in a restaurant yesterday. So here we use had because the word yesterday shows is a past tense. Then the last one, Sunitha dash a parrot, but the parrot flew away. So Sunitha had a parrot. The next exercise, fill in the blanks with have, has or had. Look at the first sentence. The Anne family dash a picnic yesterday. Here the word yesterday shows past tense and the answer is had. They dash lots of good food. It talks about yesterday? And the answer is they had lots of good food. Third one, the ants always dash a storehouse filled with food. The word always used in the present tense, and the answer is have, because the noun ants are plural. Next one, an ant dash six legs, it dash a pair of eyes. Here the answer is has. And the last sentence, it dash a big family, it dash to work hard every day. Again, the sentence is in present tense, and the answer is has. It is a singular pronoun. So hope you understood the exercises. All of you do your exercises carefully and learn it. Thank you. Have a nice day.